teaching you the double lift. The double lift is probably one of the most important moves for someone to learn in Magic, and it is used in almost every single trick or routine that I know. Almost. Some of them are not. Don't use it, but if you want to learn the double lift, stick around. I will be teaching 2 different variants of the double lift. The strike double lift and the pushover double lift. I don't really know what it's called, but the pushover double lift is more advanced, and the strike double lift is what you should use if you are a beginner. And I'll see you guys in the performance of the trick that I do with the double lift. Peace. Alright, so I'm going to go through, and I'm going to take out a prediction card. Now, here we go. Spectator can name any card in the deck that they want. Let's say they name the 2 of diamonds. What if I told you that the card that I put down was indeed the 2 of diamonds? Well, you'd be like, you're crazy, Garrett. There's no possible way that this card right here could be the 2 of diamonds. But, as you'll see right here, it actually is the 2 of diamonds. That's the trick. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the tutorial of the double lift, and then I'll see you also in the tutorial of the trick that I just did. So, first, for the double lift, you're going to need a, well, not necessarily a break. I'll teach you the strike first. Alright, so you're going to bevel the cards a little bit out. And you're going to come over with your opposite hand, whether you be left-handed or you be right-handed, doesn't matter. You're going to come over with your opposite hand, and you're going to strike the 2 upper cards right here. You just have to get a feel for it. So you take 2 cards and let them fall. It's important to let them fall. So you don't want to do that. That's just like really obvious that something's going on, you know. So you just want to pick them up, kind of let them fall. Once again, strike here, pick them up, and let them fall. So once you get them here, you can just let them fall, and they will stay here. A little trick for a double lift: if you're ever trying to set one down on the ground, you can take it, give it a bend, just like that, throw it down, and it does not move at all. Then you can pick it back up, so that, as you can see, this is one card right here. I even just threw it down on the ground. And you could take that card and put it in the middle, snap your fingers, and then boom, it's back on top. You could do that too. So, once again, you bevel the cards. Just bevel them a good little bit. So you just bevel them, come over here. This will take some feel to pick up 2 cards, let them fall, square up. Once again, pick them up, let them fall. And as you can see, that is 2 cards, just like that. So, now on to the tutorial for the pushover double lift. Alright, for the pushover double lift, for the first thing, you're going to need a pinky break. So, you can riffle up and get a break under 2 cards, just like this. Or, you can do what is called a pinky count. I'm not very good at pinky counts, but I'll do my best here. Boop, boop. Then you can square up and get your break that way. Either way, you're going to need a pinky count. So, after this is a hard one, so you're going to have your break, whatever way you might get it, and you're going to push over the cards. That was horrible, but if you do it in like speed, it just looks normal. So, how to do that is once you get your break, it's 3 cards. Once you get your break, you're going to push over and up at the same time. These are brand new cards, so they might not go when I do it slowly. But you're going to push over first, and then with these fingers right here, they're going to be pushing the cards up so it stays together better. Now, in speed, once you have your break, it'll look exactly like that. Take the 7. And one better way to get your break that I don't do often and I should start doing is once you flipped it over, just like this, once you flipped it over and it's on top right here, all you do is push down on the top and square up, and now you have another break to once again push off and flip over. Once you pushed off a little bit, like out to here, you can just grab it and flip it over. That makes it look way more realistic than if you just went like this. You know, there's something, the spectator's gonna be like, there's something going on right here. And they're gonna question you. So, once again, you push up with those fingers. Try and do this at an angle. So you can see my fingers, my middle finger, or my ring finger mostly, just pushing up on those cards, and then you can flip over. But you don't want to overextend and be out here, because then they'll fall apart. You just want to be nice and fluid. Then you can square back up, or you could square up and then do a pinky count. Boop, boop. Come on, pop. Alright, so now let me get on one more time to, this is what it looks like in speed. So you take the 7, just like that. Just like that, put the 7 into the middle, snap your fingers, and the 7 comes right back to the top. Take the 7, put it right back into the second position. Get your break, push off, flip over. Now you got the 7 back on top, and you could even strike double lift to turn it back over. It doesn't matter. So now let me get into the tutorial that I did with the double lift, or the trick that I did with it. Alrighty, so for this trick, what you're going to need is a double-sided card. Now there are ways to make a double-sided card if you don't have an expensive deck, or you just want to make a double-sided card that bad. You take 2. You tape them or glue them together. Glue would probably be better if you didn't care about your deck too much. But tape is like more, you can rip it off and the cards may still be fine. It just depends how sticky the tape is. But you can tape or glue 2 cards together and you got your double-sided card. But most decks just come with one. It's pretty nice. Alright, so for this trick, you have this card somewhere in the middle. The spectators can shuffle as much as they want, face down. Don't let them go through the cards though, or they might catch the double-sided card. So once they shuffle them up, then you can go through the deck. And so at the beginning, I placed down a prediction card. So what you're going to do is you're going to place down the double-sided card as your prediction card. So to make it look like that it's single-sided, you're going to go through and you're going to take it and you're going to put it down like that. Just turn your wrist and put it down. So if you just put it down like this, they're going to know it's double-sided because that's just awkward if you don't put it down like that. So now what you're going to do is you're going to have your spectators name any card in the whole entire deck. It can honestly be any card. So let's say they name the 5 of diamonds, for example. So you're going to go through the deck as fast as you can, and you're going to be explaining to them, what if I actually put down your card, the 5 of diamonds? So as you're frantically going through the deck, you find the 5 of diamonds. So what you can do is you can get a break above it, and what you can do is called a turnover pass, where you as you're turning over, you do like that, and then your 5 is on top. That's probably the most, not efficient way, but the cleanest way to do it. So you got your 5, you got your break above it, and I will be covering the turnover pass in a separate video. So all you do is, it looks like you're turning over the deck, but you're actually controlling the 5 to the top. So once it's controlled to the top, you can push off and get a break, or you can do a pinky count like I was talking about earlier, just pinky count, and then you're going to take this and say, what if I told you this was your card, the 5 of diamonds? So then you take it and put it on top, flip over the 5 of diamonds. That's a double lift. So, but instead of a double lift normally, hang on, let me throw this double-sided card out here. This double lift normally, you can't do this or you'll flash that card. But since you have a double-sided card and you double lift, you actually turn over 5 of diamonds and then you can place it down. There's one other thing that you can do to get rid of this card if you're really worried and they want to go through the deck. So you can shuffle them up again, control it to the bottom, and then you can get it in middle grip, push off, palm off the card, and put it in your pocket. Pull them off the card and put it in your pocket. That's one way you can do it, or you can just not let them see the deck, but that's a little suspicious. That's the trick. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright, so in this trick, I was using the Black Artesian Edition deck. This deck, I had the white version of it, and I lost a bunch of cards. So for Christmas, I got the black and white version again, which is pretty nice. It comes with all this. It has a very nice back design, gold and black. And then the faces are just standard, very nice. And it comes obviously with a double-sided card. Ace of Clubs is standard. Let me see if I can find the Ace of Spades. Has a very nice Ace of Spades. Let me see if I can, yep, there it is. Very nice Ace of Spades. Has a nice Artesian logo on it. And here are the Jokers. Here are the Jokers. Have Guild of Artesians on it, circle. Pretty nice deck. You can get this on Amazon for like $10. So, hope you guys enjoyed the trick and the tutorial of the double lift. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.